Hello everyone. I'm here in Canvas looking at the directions for Reflect and Share number 3. And I see that in number 1 I'm supposed to write a paragraph that fully answers the question, what math mistake did you learn the most from this week? Well, I see that part of that is writing down the question that you missed along with your original answer and the correct answer. I've gotten a few messages from students saying that they're not sure how to write down the question when they can't find the question in MyMathLab. So this video is to show you how you might keep track of the questions that you miss along with the original answers and the correct answer. So let's take a look in MyMathLab. I'm in MyMathLab and I'm going to go ahead and work on this study plan. And what I want to keep in mind is that I need to be able to reflect on the problems that I missed. So I'm going to go to Module 3 test attempt number 1 and bring up the study plan for that. And I'll go ahead and take the first quiz me for the objective, review terms associated with logical connectives. All right, I just finished my quiz me, so I'm going to submit my quiz. So right away I can see that I answered 3 out of the 4 questions correctly for 75%. I can either click directly on question 3 to see the problem that I missed, or I can go to review test to see all the questions at once. I locate question 3. It says fill in the blank. The negation of the statement all golf courses are green is blank golf courses are not green. If I roll over the answer, I can see that I answered all, but the correct answer is some. So in order to learn from my mistake, it would be good for me to either copy this problem down by hand or to capture the screen so that I can refer to it later. I'm going to choose to capture the screen, and the way that I do that is by holding down the Alt key and hitting print screen. Next, I can open up my favorite Paint program and paste and then save the image there. So I've opened Paint. I just click paste. It pastes the question, and then if I like, I can crop it to make the size more manageable. Now that I've cropped the image, I can go ahead and save it so that I can refer back to it later. Or if it ends up being the problem for my Reflect and Share, then I can upload it into Canvas and insert it into my Reflect and Share message. Now, as you're reviewing your quiz me, you might also pay attention to this number up in the upper right-hand corner. In this case, 3.1.7. That indicates that this exercise is from section 3.1 and it's number 7. In order to find that problem again, we just go to Chapter Contents, locate Chapter 3, Section 3.1, and then click Study Plan. That brings up all the problems from Section 3.1. Now the problem that I missed was 3.1.7, so I can go ahead and click on 3.1.7. It brings up either the same problem or a similar problem. But the advantage this time is that it's got the Help Me resources over here on the right-hand side. So I can either read the textbook to learn more about the problem. I can click Ask My Instructor to send my instructor a question. Or I can even print out the problem rather than having to use the Alt screen feature. The disadvantage is that it doesn't show me my right and wrong answers. I hope this video helps you out.